This model kit review is of the FJ-4, the Fury, and this is the Navy equivalent of the F-86 Sabre. This is a 1/48 scale model by Matchbox, and it shows you some nice box art. Two different versions, also the dimensions of the model. Let's have a look inside. The Matchbox usually is pretty good quality. This is really dismal, the surface detail. No rivet lines. We have very basic panel lines which are barely visible. And we have our guy with the large hole. Did not fill there. Other side is about the same. No details in the inside of that cockpit. Here we have our brakes and our nose. Here we have our air turbine. This is our instrument panel, kind of dismal. We have our fuel tanks. The looks like probably the duct for the inside. Our pylons, landing gear, missiles. We have the back part of the cockpit seat. That's the cockpit. Here are our wheels. Really not very finely molded at all. And not many details here either. There's the wing tips. I guess they fold because it's a Navy plane. And here are our wings. Also not a lot of detail there. Here's a canopy. Canopy is reasonable, though it's a bit scratched up. And decals. There's actually a fair amount of detail here in the decals. And here is instructions. So let's have a look at those. Put a booklet to a large sheet. So we start off by building the cockpit and put that on top of the air ducts. And we put the fuselage together. Pylons and weapons go on. Then the wings, and those then go on the fuselage. Put our landing gear together. That then goes on the plane. We have our additional weapons going on, fuel tanks, and then the wing tips get put together, and then the air brakes go on. You can have them open or closed, and the wings can be up or down. Doesn't look like there's a lot of detail though in the wing fold area. And then the canopy goes on. And let's have a look over here. Here are the colors needed. And this looks like the painting and decal guide. So here's one option. This is from the Miramar Air Force Base in California, and here's one from the Marine Corps, and then those are different parts that need to get painted as well. So not a lot of detail, but some nice decals.